Discover the last Himalayan kingdom, a sacred land where ancient traditions and dramatic landscapes exist beyond the reach of ordinary travel. Hike to the legendary Tiger's Nest. Perched 700 meters above the valley, one of the world's most sacred and breathtaking monasteries. Explore the rich culture of Paro Valley, where prayer flags flutter above pine forests and timeless dzongs line the riverbanks. In Thimphu, stand before the monumental Buddha Dordenma as it watches over the capital. Journey to Punakha, where the majestic Dzong rises at the confluence of two rivers. Immerse yourself in authentic ceremonies, living art traditions, traditional archery, and sacred rituals found nowhere else on earth. Rest and rejuvenate in hand-picked 4- and 5-star boutique hotels. Savor authentic Bhutanese cuisine, from farmhouse cooking experiences to elevated dining with panoramic Himalayan views. Explore Bhutan with world expeditions.